It vanished in silence, carrying secrets that would haunt survivors for decades. The USS Indianapolis was one of the most fateful ships of World War II, delivering the atomic bomb components that would end the war. But days after her mission, disaster struck. On July 30, 1945, 2 Japanese torpedoes slammed into her hull in the dead of night. The ship sank in just 12 minutes. Nearly 1,200 men were on board. About 300 went down with the ship. For the rest, survival was only beginning. The distress call never reached help. The wreck was unnoticed. Men were stranded in the shark-infested Philippine Sea. No lifeboats, little food, almost no water, just a desperate hope and the silent shadow of death circling in the waves. For 4 terrifying days, more than 800 sailors fought to stay alive. Many died of exposure, saltwater poisoning, insanity, or thirst. But it was the sharks that became legend. Oceanic white tips, dozens, maybe hundreds, plucked men from the edges one by one. No one truly knows how many were lost to their jaws. But there were acts of heroism too. Men banded together, some sharing the last bits of rations or offering hope. Lieutenant McKissick kept survivors singing to maintain their spirit. Others clung to fragments of the ship, drifting under a merciless sun. On August 2nd, 4 days later, a rescue plane spotted the oil slick and bobbing heads. A massive operation saved 316 men. Those who survived bore wounds, both visible and invisible, that lasted a lifetime. But the nightmare didn't end after rescue. The Navy needed someone to blame. Captain Charles McVay, commanding officer, was court-martialed for hazarding his ship by failing to zigzag. Many said he was made a scapegoat, since the Navy ignored warnings about enemy submarines. And even the Japanese sub-commander said zigzagging would have made no difference. Decades later, the survivors fought for McVay's exoneration. Finally, in 2000, Congress cleared his name, years after McVay died by suicide, still haunted by guilt. The Indianapolis's ordeal changed naval procedures forever. Distress calls would never go untraced again. Survival training changed, and the story became a cautionary tale for generations of sailors. Today, the final resting place of USS Indianapolis was found in the deep sea only in 2017. A steel grave with a silent story. A story of courage, tragedy, and endurance against impossible odds. But if not for a twist of fate, the world might never have learned the cost these men paid for a war's end. So the next time you hear about the atomic age, remember, some carried its burden not in bombs, but in blood, courage, and memories lost at sea. Do you think the full story of the Indianapolis will ever be known? Or are some secrets always destined to be lost beneath the waves? Let us know what you think, and stay tuned for more hidden truths from World War II.